Dear customers and friends, Namaste. Greetings to all. I am PVS Nageshwar Rao, CEO of Spartan Engineering Industries. It is a pleasure to speaking with you. With a credit of more than 37 years in Indian industry, in government, multinationals and public sectors, I have witnessed few economic recessions in my past, which I have overcome with good measures. In the past, there was no risk of health. It was solely on economic recessions. And presently, it's economic risk along with the high health risk. We need to accept, avoid, transfer, and mitigate these risks. Presently, together we are facing a truly unprecedented situation. It is a global COVID pandemic, which is affecting to all our families, business, communities, and our way of life. First and foremost, our hearts go out to the people who are affected by the virus. Next to those who are affected by COVID, to whom we extend our best wishes for a fully health recovery. We are truly inspired by the selfless healthcare workers around us who are on the front lines working tirelessly to care people in need. We all are focusing on the health and safety of our employees, families, and communities. In these conditions, I am giving you little perspective on what my company, Spartan Engineering Industries, is and will be doing to help you. Spartan Engineering Industries is acknowledged as an Indian multinational company serving for construction, infrastructure, real estate industry, and increasing its footprint in exports. Spartan means more than 50 CE certified products, more than 210 employees, two factories, eight branches in all metro cities, more than 5,000 customers, more than 100 suppliers. Now we are poised to business plan of 150 crores and a strategic plan to reach 500 crores in couple of years along with infrastructure growth of our nation. Spartan is a company with integrated management systems for safety, health, and environment. We are ISO 9000, ISO 14000, OSHA's 18000 systems certified company. We are practicing advanced quality tools like JDD, Kaizen, and 5S. We are making missions a compatible level with IoT projects for real-time assessments and effective utilization for the benefit of customers. Our new product, Fire Evacuation Lift, has certified and acknowledged by reputable customers and the state government. Many orders we received which are under pipeline for production and several orders in order realization stage. During this lockdown period, we have analyzed impact on global and Indian economy status and post-COVID activities to overcome the challenges in construction, real estate, and infrastructure industry. It is true the global economy affecting severely, and GDP growth may decrease by 2 to 2.5%. India's GDP growth may decrease 1 to 1.5%. With an alarming situation, Government of India deeply searching for solutions to sustain GDP growth. Various economic measures and relief initiative. We too looking towards the government for support economic reliefs such as reduction of bank guarantees, reduction of margin money for BGs, payment of wages for workers from unutilized ESIC funds, moratoriums, interest reliefs on working capitals. Existing working capital limit increase at least by 20%. We are strongly looking for it. Besides this, we have finalized various levers measures. We kept our employees engaged to manage their business continuity, prepared and followed stringent safety guidelines, started production activities with limited workmen to support customers. Sales and service teams continuously interacting with all customers, handling crisis with the task force at shops and supporting employees to work from home, created contingency plans to support customers, shared various communications for knowledge improvement, organized video training sessions to customer teams on product knowledge and maintenance of machines, organized training sessions for employees to manage their work remotely. In this crisis time, we recollect Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi quotes. Believe in yourself. The future depends on what we do today. With this inspiration, with positive mindset, moving on with clear direction to all teams to progress further. We are also approaching all customers to do various actions together post-COVID. We are planning for spare parts and other support materials. We are also planning site visits and checking for mission status and conditions. Also, we can plan together a new machines required to reduce project cycle time for next quarter. We can maintain a healthy relationship with suppliers, customers, and stakeholders. Our sales and service teams are interacting with customers to move forward. We have planned for dispatch for next couple of weeks, examining various positive opportunities besides this. Friends, the whole world has lost its faith and trust in China due to the COVID threat. USA, Australia, Europe have started looking towards India for the shift of business and service support. The government of India started to infuse large amounts of money for economic revivals. Government of India planning to support construction industry by alternative fund investments about $3,500 million for more than 1,600 construction projects in India. As the world is looking towards India to shift its business units, there are many migrations from other countries shortly, and it will lead to a great demand in premium residential apartments. Experts' opinion that present threat for real estate and infrastructure is a temporary correction in metropolitans and urban cities. But in the long term, it will create a lot of jobs and overcome all COVID challenges, losses. We can prepare for it with high safety standards for human life and new business model. We are also going to see a lot of changes in lifestyle after lockdown. We are committed to develop a positive mindset and around us. Look towards positive sides in every challenge and adopting a growth mindset. We look towards our employees in our business. We shall have empathy on them. We need to strengthen our ability to drive positive change in critical situations. And another important subject, mechanization and automation in construction industries. Encouraging work from home. This is also required. In this critical time, in addition to these actions, what we can do for you, we will do our best to help our customers to overcome challenges. We are committed to carrying a mindset of in spirit of network collaboration together and see new results and a new model of business. My company's head of departments on this subject will be contacting you and your teams with a detailed questionnaire to listen your voice and feedbacks for continual improvements to enable us to supply the best products, services and offerings to your organization. I am also sending my detailed analysis report on impact of COVID-19 analysis and various opportunities and actions to overcome the situation. Thank you for your time. With best wishes, Nageshwar Rao. Namaste.